How to get rid of urine smell, detailed guide. You're in for a surprise. Excuse the pun. Odors happen, and sometimes they're caused by our furry friends, or maybe some human error. But don't worry, getting rid of that unpleasant smell is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get rid of urine smell that will have your home smelling fresh and clean again. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Locate the sources of the smell. Before you do anything else, make sure you identify the source or sources of the urine smell. Check your furniture, mattresses, carpets, bathroom, floors, and any other space or item that has that unmistakable urine smell. For locating dry pee stains, you might need a black light. UV light makes the proteins in urine glow. So using a black light will make it much easier for you. We'll provide a general guide on how to get rid of urine smell in this video. But for how to get rid of urine smell for specific items or spaces, check our playlist. How to get rid of urine smell. We also have specific guides for what to do if the urine smell is from cat pee, dog pee, rats, and mice. Step 1. Clean up the urine as soon as possible. The length of time the urine sits determines how easy or difficult it becomes to get rid of the smell. Therefore, clean up the urine as soon as possible. If the urine is still wet, use a towel or paper towels to blot up as much of it as possible. This will help remove a significant portion of the urine and prevent it from spreading further. If the urine isn't wet, just go on to step 2 and use the commercial enzymatic urine cleaner option. When cleaning up urine, it is important to use a towel or paper towels that are clean and free of any other substances that may cause further staining or odor. Avoid pushing the urine deeper into the surface you are cleaning by rubbing too hard, as this will make it more difficult to remove the smell later. Also be aware of the types of materials that you're trying to clean and be sure not to use any cleaning solutions that could cause damage to those materials. In some cases, urine can contain high levels of acidity and can cause damage to certain types of materials, especially the ones that are delicate or are known to be sensitive to acidity. Step 2. Apply a cleaning solution on the affected area. After you have cleaned up as much of the urine as possible, using a towel or paper towels, the next step is to apply a cleaning solution on the affected area to remove any remaining urine and the smell it may cause. One effective solution for this purpose is a mixture of water and white vinegar. The solution should be mixed in a 1:1 ratio of water to white vinegar. White vinegar is acidic, and its acidity helps to break down the urine, making it easier to remove. Also, it helps to neutralize the smell of urine. When using the water vinegar solution, it should be applied to the affected area with a spray bottle or poured directly on the surface. It's important not to saturate the surface with the solution, just enough to cover the affected area. Alternatively, you can use commercial enzymatic urine cleaner solutions, which are specially formulated to remove urine smells and stains. It's important to follow the product's instructions carefully, as the usage method and amount of the product can vary depending on the product you are using. Check the description or pinned comment for commercial enzymatic urine cleaner solutions you can use for this purpose. Step 3. Allow the cleaning solution to sit for a few minutes. This step is important because it allows the cleaning solution to fully penetrate the surface and come into contact with the urine. If the solution is not given enough time to sit, it may not be able to fully remove the urine and the smell it may cause. The exact amount of time required for the solution to sit will depend on the type of surface you are cleaning and the type of cleaning solution you are using. Typically, a few minutes should be sufficient. For commercial urine cleaners, the instructions usually indicate how long the solution should sit before being cleaned up. During this time, the solution helps break down the urine and loosen any stain or smell it may have caused. It's important not to leave the solution sitting for too long, as it can cause damage to certain materials. It is also important to note that the solution should be used on a small inconspicuous area first before trying it on a large scale. Step 4. Blot up the solution and any remaining urine. After allowing the cleaning solution to sit for a few minutes, the next step is to remove the solution and any remaining urine from the surface. This can be done by blotting the surface with a clean towel or paper towels. The goal of this step is to remove as much of the urine and the cleaning solution as possible, leaving the surface clean and free of any smell. The key is to use a clean, dry towel or paper towels, and to press down firmly on the surface without rubbing. This is because rubbing could cause the urine to spread further. When using a towel, you can use one section of the towel to blot up the solution and then rotate to a clean section of the towel to continue blotting. If you're using paper towels, you can use multiple sheets until the towels no longer pick up any more moisture. Keep in mind that this step may need to be repeated several times, depending on the severity of the urine stain or smell. Each time, use a clean towel or paper towels to ensure that you are not spreading the urine or any remaining smell. It's also important to not let the urine or cleaning solution dry on the surface, as this will make it harder to remove and could cause the smell to become more persistent. Step 5. Repeat steps 2 to 4 if necessary. Depending on the severity of the urine stain or smell, it may be necessary to repeat the process of cleaning up the urine, using a cleaning solution, and blotting up the solution and any remaining urine multiple times. This is particularly true if the urine has been allowed to sit for a long period, or if the area is heavily soiled. When repeating the process, use a clean towel or paper towels each time and ensure that you are not spreading the urine or any remaining smell. It's also important to use the same cleaning solution, whether it's water and white vinegar or a commercial urine cleaner, and to give the solution enough time to sit before blotting it up. Step 6. Use a deodorizer. Even after cleaning up the urine and using a cleaning solution, there may still be a slight smell remaining. To neutralize any remaining odor, you can use a deodorizer. One natural option for deodorizing is baking soda. Baking soda is a natural odor neutralizer and can be sprinkled on the affected area and left to sit for a while before vacuuming it up. Another option is to use a commercial odor neutralizer, which is specially formulated to neutralize urine smells. Follow the product's instructions carefully for the best results. When using a deodorizer, remember to use it only on the affected area and avoid using too much. This is because it can leave a residue or cause discoloration on some surfaces. Please note that neutralizing odors with baking soda or commercial odor neutralizers will not remove the source of the smell, which may still be present even if the smell is no longer detectable. Step 7. Use a specialized urine odor remover product. Even after taking the steps to clean up the urine, using a cleaning solution, and neutralizing any remaining smell with a deodorizer, the smell might still persist. In such a situation, use specialized urine odor remover products to effectively remove the odor. These products are specially formulated to target and neutralize urine odors. They typically contain enzymes or bacteria that break down the urine and the smell it causes. Step 8. Call in a professional. In some cases, even after doing all the steps we've explained in this video, the urine smell may persist. This may indicate that the urine has reached the subflooring or structure of the building and that more drastic measures may be needed to remove the odor. If you suspect that the urine may have seeped into the subflooring or structure of the building, it would be best to call in a professional to assess the situation and take appropriate measures. It's important to note that attempting to remove the smell from subflooring or structure by yourself can be difficult and time-consuming. It may even cause further damage if not done properly. Calling in a professional can help you ensure that the problem is fully resolved, saving you time, energy, and money in the long run. Step 9. Prevent future urine smells. Preventing future urine odors is just as important as removing existing odors. Once the area is clean and the smell has been removed, it's important to take steps to ensure that the smell does not return. If the urine smell was down to an underlying medical issue such as incontinence or a urinary tract infection, it's important to address the root cause of the problem. This may involve seeking medical treatment, using products such as incontinence pads or diapers, or making lifestyle changes to improve overall health. It also helps to use waterproof covers for your mattresses and furniture if you are dealing with pet urine accidents, bedwetting, or incontinence. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.